OSMA is thrilled to welcome our new strategic partners. Let's walk through setting up your OSMA account. From the OSMA homepage, click on the Membership tab and choose Strategic Partner. Here, you can learn about the Strategic Partner Program. From benefits like our quarterly meetings, working groups, and educational initiatives, to the qualifications and expectations for our strategic partners. At the bottom of the page, you'll see the button to sign up as a strategic partner. In the sign-up form, choose your username and password and enter your company email address. Next, scroll down to choose your company from the list of strategic partners and complete your application. Once you click Submit, OSMA will receive your application. Upon approval, you will receive a welcome letter and can then log in to the member website. From the home page, navigate to Member Access and log in. On the My Account page, you can access information such as our member directory, org chart, and events. Under Previous Events, you can access the executive summaries and presentations from previous quarterly meetings. Choose Upcoming Events, and you will see the newest OSMA meeting, the free virtual summer series taking place the last 2 weeks in July. If you have any questions or run into any problems setting up your account, please reach out to feedback@osma.net.